Hey everyone, so we are here today at the villas at Grand Floridian where we're staying in a 2-bedroom villa with a standard view.
Now these standard views are overlooking the parking lot area and the spa over there, and you can kind of see the monorail, so that's kind of nice. But these rooms do sleep up to 9 people, which is one of the few villas that do, so that's kind of nice to have the extra bed there, not just sleep 8 but sleep 9, and it feels a little bit bigger than some of the other villas. I don't know if it has more square footage or not, but it definitely feels a little bit bigger when you're inside.
Yeah, so let's go check it out.
So we are going to head over to the right into the second bedroom portion of the villa here. As you can see, there is a door to close it off from the rest of the villa if you'd like to. They have a desk in here with a lamp and a chair when you first come into the room. And then on the left is the bathroom area. Now these are all separated from the room by these little pocket style doors that slide into the wall. And as you can see, there's the 2 kind of halves of the bathroom, one over there and one right here with that pocket door separating the 2. This half has your vanity, which has a couple little shelves and drawers underneath. Not a ton of counter space up here because of the style of the vanity, but looks like you've probably got enough room, and an additional little shelf up above that. There's also a remote here because apparently there is a TV inside the mirror. Now, to the right is going to be your walk-in shower in this room. And this walk-in shower does have a detachable shower head as well as one built into the ceiling, that kind of rainfall style head. And then there is also a seat here in the shower as well. And there's that TV I mentioned in the mirror. Kind of come over here, you can see a little better. So you can watch TV while you're getting ready in the morning. Kind of cool. Now the second half of the bathroom, as we have over here, the pocket door separating the 2, we have the toilet and a tub that does have a shower head as well. So you do have a tub and a walk-in shower in this second bedroom. And you got this cool floral pattern on the shower curtain. We did look over this for hidden Mickeys, couldn't find any, but maybe there's one hidden in there. Keep an eye out if you're staying here. And then the closet in this room is rather large. You've got a closet going all the way across this wall, and you've got your shelf with things like some extra toiletries and a hair dryer up there, of course some clothes hangers. And because this is the Grand Floridian, and when you stay at the Grand Floridian, you fancy, you've got some robes in here as well. Now heading into the bedroom area, there are 2 queen size beds here in this bedroom. Looks like the housekeeping left us a little hidden Mickey there on the bed. And these 2 queen beds each have lights up above them, and there is a light and ceiling fan built into the ceiling. And then there are a few drawers over here that have like this mirror kind of reflective finish on them, which is cool, but they are drawers, really, really deep drawers. So you've got that on the dresser there, and then there's a Blu-ray player inside the cabinet with the TV up there. And then we have a table with a couple chairs as well as a lamp in here. Now, one thing to note is the nightstand does have a USB outlet built into it, but it is only the 1 USB and then 2 regular wall outlets. There are not 2 on there as there normally are on the nightstands. And we'll head over into the main part of the room. We'll check out the balcony here from the other side shortly. Heading into the main part of the room, we have our kitchen first, kitchen/dining room. It is all kind of in one room here. You've got a countertop over here, lots of drawers and cabinets scattered around. You have a dining area with a couple chairs and then a wraparound bench going all the way around the corner there. And on the wall are some plates that do form our only hidden Mickey that we could find here in this room. And on the plates are some scenes from Dumbo. So you've got Dumbo up there, you have Timothy Mouse over there, and then of course the GF logo surrounded by Casey Jr. and all the different train cars there. Now the kitchen area here, we've got a full-size fridge and freezer. It's just hiding behind what looks like a cabinet and drawers. So if you grab this, it's actually your fridge. And then down below is the freezer, the big drawer down here. And then this smaller drawer is your little ice area. So really interesting setup, hiding the fridge and the freezer in the cabinets like that, but it looks pretty cool. And then there is a range with the oven built in, of course, and the microwave. You've got a full-size coffee maker over here and also a toaster. And then, of course, in all these cabinets, you'll find all the things you need, like cups and plates and bowls and silverware and that kind of thing. Now, heading into the living room area, we have a TV over here, which should have a DVD/Blu-ray player down inside of there. And then this is going to be a pulled-down bed, which we'll come back and show you shortly. So it's a child size, slightly bigger than child size pull-down bed. It's definitely not adult size for sure, but it does inside there. And then the living room has a couch that pulls out into a queen bed. And then we have a few lamps and chairs and things like that. Lots of furniture in this villa, we've noticed. Lots of places to sit. And then on the wall, we have a picture of a little girl riding a bicycle a very long time ago, except for the fact that she has a Duffy bear, which is not really that old. They didn't make them until a few years ago. And Duffy, if you did not know, does have a little hidden Mickey on his paw, because that's the way all the Duffy bears are. I think he technically has a hidden Mickey on his face too. It's really hard to tell, but I think that's pretty close to a hidden Mickey there. And then a not so hidden Mickey is over here. We have the silhouette of, let's just say, Dapper Mickey and Dapper Minnie, because they're all dressed up and have their silhouettes made there, so it's pretty cute. Now we'll head out and check out the balcony from here, and then we'll head over into the master. Now this balcony does span the entirety of the villa. So we come out here, we've got a balcony that goes both ways. We have a couple chairs and a little table over there and another set over here. So we have a very, very large balcony. Our particular room with this standard view is overlooking, well, the roof right here, which is kind of interesting, but you can see the wedding pavilion area over there. Looks like the horse and carriage is over there, Cinderella's carriage. That's pretty awesome. Must be having a wedding going on today. And then if you look to the right, you can also see the track for the monorail. So we'll be able to see the monorail going by out here as well. Now let's head in and check out the master bedroom. The master bedroom does have a king size bed in it, and it's a very, very large bedroom, really. It's got the dresser over here with, of course, drawers all up and down there, plenty of storage space there, and your TV. No DVD or Blu-ray player in this room, interestingly. And then there is a desk which has the new One Day at Disney book on it. We've started seeing those pop up in the Vacation Club villas since that book was released. And then you have a picture on the wall, a silhouette of Mary Poppins and Bert. Of course, there's looks like a duck down there with her ducklings and the people riding the horses from the horse race or from the fox hunt, I believe. And then you've got the carousel horses. Maybe that's the kids riding the carousel horses. I think it is. Mary Poppins and the kids and Bert. So cute little silhouette cut out there. And the penguins. Can't forget the penguins on the wall. And then the bed here has another one of those little hidden Mickeys from housekeeping for us. And none of the nightstands or dressers in this room have those USB outlets. So that's something to note. We do have a walk-in closet, however, where we have more robes for fancy people at the Grand Floridian. And then you've got a couple extra blankets and pillows, your safe, and a pack and play. But again, really good size walk-in closet in here. So lots of space in this room. And I think it definitely is bigger than most two-bedroom villas. Now the bathroom here is shared with the rest of the villa, but we have kind of two sections to it. The first one has a little pocket door here. We've got a standalone jetted tub over here. I guess you'd call it a jacuzzi tub. I'm not really sure, but it definitely is a jetted tub there. And then we have a single vanity over here. Countertop goes all the way across, and looks like we have another, yeah, right there. We have another TV built in to this one as well. And we'll head on through to the other half of the bathroom. There is a door here, a pocket door to close this off. So this would be kind of the master side of things. And then this is the shared area where you have a very, very large walk-in shower. You can see it's got that rainfall style head as well as the detachable head, and then the seat over there as well. So a really large walk-in shower here. And then of course your toilet and the vanity, which is another single vanity, but there is a lot of counter space in here, quite a few drawers and cabinets as well. And then there's a few lights up around the mirrors to kind of help brighten it up in here. Now heading out into the kind of hallway area, these cabinets on the right, one of them has your stackable washer and dryer, because they do have a washer and dryer in every 1 bedroom and larger villa with DVC. And then the closet next to it has your laundry basket, iron and ironing board, broom, dustpan, high chair, and vacuum cleaner for all of you people who love cleaning while you're on vacation. And then we'll head into the living room area and show you real quickly. If you pull out the beds in here, you can see the couch pulls out into that queen size bed. And then we have the pull down twin over here that's just a little bit shorter than a full size bed would be. So twin as far as the width, but it is a little bit on the short side. And then behind that looks like there's a picture of the lyrics from the Stay Awake song in Mary Poppins, and she is flying away up there to the left, and the kids, Jane and Michael, are sleeping there in the bed, so that's really cute. So even with the beds pulled out, lots of space here in this kind of living room area. Definitely one of the more spacious villas that we've seen for sure. And that is going to conclude this tour of the 2-bedroom villa at the Villas at Grand Floridian. We hope you enjoyed that room tour. If you did, give us a thumbs up down below and leave any questions you have in the comment area. If you'd like to see more room tours like this, check out our channel. And if you like them, go ahead and subscribe.
And for even more information about Walt Disney World Resorts and Walt Disney World, check out our blog over on herewiththeears.com. We've got so much information for you guys there. Thank you for watching, and until next time.
We're here with the ears.